Have you ever experienced a series of coincidences that seemed too unusual to ignore? Like thinking of an old friend and suddenly they call you out of nowhere, or seeing the same numbers, symbols, or patterns repeatedly. These events may seem random, but they are often much more than mere chance. They are what we call synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that serve as messages from the universe. In this video, we're going to explore what synchronicities are, why they happen, and how you can recognize these powerful signs to better understand your life's path. So let's dive into the fascinating world of synchronicity and discover how the universe communicates with you. What are synchronicities? The term synchronicity was coined by the famous Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. He defined it as a meaningful coincidence of two or more events where something other than the probability of chance is involved. In simpler terms, synchronicities are events that are connected not by cause and effect, but by meaning. For example, you might be thinking about starting a new career, and as you walk down the street, you see a sign that says, "Follow your dreams." Or maybe you're going through a difficult period and keep hearing the same uplifting song everywhere you go. These are the universe's way of guiding and encouraging you. Synchronicities act like signposts on your life's journey, helping you know if you're on the right path or if a change is needed. They can be subtle nudges or powerful wake-up calls. Why do synchronicities happen? Synchronicities occur for a reason. They serve as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. Here are a few reasons why the universe may send you these signals. Guidance. When you're at a crossroads in life, synchronicities can provide clarity or affirmation on the direction you should take. Awakening. If you're experiencing a spiritual awakening, synchronicities often increase, helping you become more aware of the hidden connections in your life. Validation. Sometimes, these signs are simply reminders that you're not alone and that the universe is supporting you. Course correction. If you're off track, synchronicities can gently, or not so gently, push you toward a more aligned path. These meaningful coincidences are a reminder that there's a greater intelligence at work in the universe, one that is always communicating with us, if we're willing to listen. Types of synchronicities. Synchronicities can show up in various ways. Here are some of the most common types to look out for. Repeating numbers. Seeing numbers like 1111, 222, or 333 repeatedly is one of the most common forms of synchronicity. Each number has its own meaning. For instance, 1111 is often seen as a sign that you are aligned with your higher self or that a new beginning is near. Meaningful encounters. Running into someone who gives you exactly the advice or information you need. These encounters seem random but often carry important messages. Symbols and signs. Objects or images that have personal significance, like seeing a butterfly during a moment of transformation or a feather when you're questioning if you're on the right path. Songs and words. Hearing a song on the radio that perfectly describes your situation, or stumbling upon a quote that answers your question. Dream synchronicities. Having a dream about an event or person, and then encountering something related to that dream in real life. Unexpected opportunities. When doors suddenly open for you in a way that feels serendipitous or perfectly timed. The key is to pay attention to what these synchronicities are telling you. They often carry deeper messages that are meant just for you. How to recognize synchronicities. To understand the universe's messages, you need to tune into the signs around you. Here are some steps to help you recognize synchronicities. Be present. The more aware you are of the present moment, the easier it is to notice synchronicities. Mindfulness practices, like meditation or deep breathing, can help sharpen your awareness. Trust your intuition. If something feels significant, it probably is. Your gut feelings are often your higher self communicating with you. Keep a synchronicity journal. Write down any coincidences, repeating patterns, or strange encounters. Over time, you may see patterns and themes that reveal deeper meanings. Ask for signs. If you're seeking guidance, don't be afraid to ask the universe for a sign. Be specific and remain open to how the answer might appear. Reflect on your thoughts and emotions. Often, synchronicities reflect your inner state. What were you thinking about when the sign appeared? What question were you pondering? When you actively look for synchronicities, you'll realize they are happening more often than you thought. What to do when you notice a synchronicity? Once you spot a synchronicity, don't just dismiss it. Here are a few steps to help you make the most of these moments. Pause and reflect. Take a moment to ask yourself, what does this mean for me right now? Connect the dots. Think about your current life situation. How does this sign relate to your goals, questions, or struggles? Act on the guidance. If the synchronicity is pointing you toward a decision or action, trust it and take that step. Express gratitude. Acknowledge the universe for sending you a message. Gratitude opens the door for more synchronicities to flow your way. Examples of famous synchronicities. Even some of history's greatest minds experienced synchronicities. For example, Albert Einstein believed that coincidences were not random. He once said, "Coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous." Carl Jung himself documented a famous synchronicity where a patient dreamed of a golden scarab beetle. The next day, a similar beetle appeared at his window during therapy, a moment that transformed the patient's outlook. These examples show that synchronicities are not just for spiritual seekers, but are part of the human experience. Listen to the universe. Synchronicities are the universe's way of reminding you that life is connected in mysterious and meaningful ways. These signs guide you, encourage you, and sometimes challenge you to grow. By paying attention to them, you open yourself up to a deeper understanding of your path and your purpose. So next time you experience a coincidence that feels too strange to be random, stop and listen. It might just be the universe speaking to you. Trust the signs. Trust the process. And remember, you are always being guided. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and share your own experiences with synchronicities. And of course, subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.